Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing several budget-friendly Valentine's DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Starting off this video, I just wanted to thank every single one of you guys. I finally hit my 10,000 subscribers and for that I am very grateful. I will be doing a giveaway. It's going to be a $50 Amazon gift card. So these are going to be the rules and guidelines to participate. I will be announcing the winner in my next DIY video, which is next Tuesday, so stay tuned. The first DIY was super cute and simple. The first step, I just went ahead and spray painted the bottle with some white gloss spray paint and I let it dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes outside. Once the spray paint was done drying, I just went ahead and made a tiny bow with some twine, and I will be adding a wood pink heart on top of the twine to just give it a little more detail. Next step, with the wire cutter, I went ahead and cut the tulips and also the greenery. For the second DIY, the first step, I just went ahead and added this heart foam sticker in the center of the jar, and I will be spray painting it over with this candy pink spray paint, and I will be letting it dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes outside. For the floral, I decided to use some lavender and the leftover red violet tulips and some greenery. For this third DIY, the first step, I just spray painted the heart glass with some white gloss spray paint and let it dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes outside. Next step, I'll just be cutting this floral foam with some scissors to make it fit into the glass heart. Next step, I went ahead and cut all the stems very short so once I place it onto the foam, it fits perfectly. Next step, I just went ahead and added some paint tape onto the heart in the center. Next step, I just painted the heart with some ivory chalk paint. To give it a little more detail and make it more rustic, I just went ahead and sanded the heart down with a sand block. For the bow, I just went ahead and made 2 loops on both ends and put it together with a zip tie. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.